Hello guys, hello, we are back for a new dish. Today we're gonna make different kind of omelette. Omelette, you can put whatever you want and whatever you like you can put in the omelette. So it depends. There is French omelette like with cheese and parsley. There is Spanish omelette with some bell pepper and potato, and you can make a vegetable omelette. You can put everything. So for today we have a baby marrow, we have bell pepper and tomato, and we have a chili. As what I said, always I love chili too much. So then I have here some French fries, so we can use it also. So let us start with a baby marrow. Then I just cut the baby marrow. For this one, you should cut it very small, cute. It's easy to be cooked. Omelette will not take time. It's only 5 minutes. You are ready from making omelette. Be careful from the baby marrow because it's sticking in the knife. Put it all together like this. Reach here to your finger, you must be careful. The knife is very sharp. And catch your finger. Pepper. So we're gonna cut the tomato and the chili and then some potato, then we will start to here the ingredient we cut already. We have here bell pepper with one chili. I cut it and mix it together, tomato and onion, baby marrow and potato and luncheon, so beef luncheon. Then we have cheese also. We have here cheese. We have here capers. So those are the ingredients that we can mix. We can make our lovely omelette, and it's up to you guys. Omelette, you can put anything you like, from vegetable or meat or chicken or tuna. You can put anything you want. So for French, they used to make it with the cheese, with parsley. That's what I said. For Spanish, they use potato, onion and bell pepper and little tomato. So for us, we will make different omelette. We're gonna make it with onion and tomato. We're gonna make it with all of this. We're gonna make it with bell pepper and cheese. So let's do it. And we choose non-stick pan, because it's very difficult when you cook, and it will stick for you. It will be very hard. You cannot really enjoy it. Heat a little bit of pan, and it's hot. Let's put some oil. Then we start to put the vegetable. just make one with everything. Just the hits. Onion, tomato, bell pepper and chili. And we will use this. This is for the omelette. It can tolerate 300 degrees. It's not burnt, it's soft. This is made for those things. We put a little bit salt on top of the vegetable. For the egg, I already put salt and white pepper. Ready. Here we place it in the plate. Put olive oil. Now we're gonna just put luncheon. And bell pepper. Then we put potato. It's for Spanish. They love to put potato in their omelette. So more in potato. Little bit salt. Vegetable. Burn it. We keep it soft. Here we have the second omelette. Olive oil, tomato, and onion. We put papers. Our egg. We can put one ladle and a half. That's what I said. You can put anything. can just enjoy yourself. Put whatever you want to put in there. You can just put it. Yes, we gotta put cheese. Try to cover the cheese. So it will not stick. You must cover the cheese. The smell is super nice, especially with the capers and the onion. Try to cover the cheese so it will not stick. You notice how I make the omelette. It has a design like half moon. See, it's soft. I can feel the cheese. Oil. I will try to make it with luncheon and cheese. Cheese. More cheese. We try to leave it cover the cheese. Easy peasy. Just flip one time, big time. This is ready. Here our different kind of omelette. Omelette with tomato, capers and onion and cheese. And here we have with luncheon and cheese. It's very simple. We have an Arabic bread here with cheese and bell pepper and chili only. Imagine the taste. It's lovely. We have here also mixed with luncheon, onion and cheese, Arabic bread. Here the Spanish omelette. Actually they make it like this exactly. They make it thick, they cut it into four and they put many things in there. See, look how it look lovely. Look very nice. Here our many kind of omelette. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try it at home, and I hope your family will enjoy it and will like it. And please guys, like and subscribe to my channel and share my channel to your friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next creation.